Hello guys, welcome back. Today is a special day dahil kukunin natin yung dream bike natin. Pero hindi cash. Kukunin natin yung dream bike natin sa utang. Utangin natin siya. So yun guys, palit tayo ng damit at magpatong-patong tayo ng damit dahil malamig. Let's go guys, I'm so excited. Let's go! Expensive guys, pero ganun talaga eh. You know, work harder now, you know.
Aray ko!
It's so beautiful with the color scheme. My old bike. See ya.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, boy.
Congrats, man.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it is, boy. Sick. Let's start it. Di ba siya ganun kaingay, pero pag pinalitan natin yan, it's gonna get there, you know? Guys, I cannot wait to go home. So, hello guys. Ito na nga yung continuation ng video natin. Today is April 11th, I guess, and yung unang video natin, first part ng video natin, that's March 7th. So, it's been a while. So, it's more than a month. And sa 1 month na yun is marami na tayong binago sa motor natin. At ang pangalan pala niya is Aka Ryu, meaning Aka red because of the red pattern, and Ryu is like dragon, red dragon. Obviously, unang-unang pinalitan natin sa kanya is ay ang ating exhaust, arrow exhaust. It's very loud, maingay masyado. Paparinig natin mamaya kung anong yung tunog talaga niya. And ano pa ba? Ito, ang lever natin, pinalitan din natin ng ASV lever dahil meron tayong malit na kamay. Hindi natin ma-reach ng maayos yung EOM part nito. Naglagay din tayo ng frame slider, very cheap, and the chain adjuster thingy. Sa lahat ng upgrade, ito ang pinakagusto kong in-upgrade sa kanya kasi mahirap mag-adjust ng chain. Pag wala kang ganito, it's gonna take you forever to fix your chain, to adjust the chain. So, bumili akong ganyan. Ano pa ba? Oh, ito pala. Sorry guys, adobe niya. Dirty boy. And naglagay ako sa kanya ng PPF, which is ang pagit na kapag kalagay ko. May mga meron mga bubbles. Pero okay lang dahil I'll take it. Kasi nakatira ako sa Colorado, and Colorado is very windy, open. So pag nagde-drive ka ng motor, kotse, kakaroon ng chip, like nagagasgas. And actually, meron na nga akong gasgas isa dyan, di ko lang alam kung saan banda. Pero meron na siyang battle scars, kaya nilagay ko yan. Pero nilagyan ko rin ng PPF tong banda dito sa tank pad. And itong part na to is medyo pulido siya kasi ang dali lang niyang ilagay like flat surface. Unlike dito kasi may mga curve. Naglagay din tayo dito ng chin mount natin. Lagay tayo ng bag for extra storage kasi big bike wala silang storage. So you either need to carry a bag or add a bag. Yun lang in-edit ko sa bike na to guys. And my favorite part is yung the chain adjuster and the exhaust. Exhaust is super loud, like loud. Ngayon nga meron akong like earbuds to protect my ear because she's super loud guys. And other than that, she's beautiful guys. I like this bike. Babalak na talaga akong kumuha ng R1 before, yung black. But nag-hold muna ako dahil, you know, financial stuff. But nung nakita ko to, colorways na to, like, oh, nakuha agad ako ng Yamaha. Like, oof, I need to get the bike. Wala akong masabi. Power is, you know, I'm not really into power speed. I'm more on looks, which is this Yamaha R1. Ridiculous big winglets. My winglets pala wala. It's a beautiful bike, guys. Isa lang yung ayaw ko sa kanya, which is, you know, wala tayong magagawa dahil we are short person. I'm only 5'4" in a good day, you know, probably 5'5". I don't know, like most beautiful day, I'm a 5'5", so I'm always like 1 foot flat. And guys, this video should be short video. Video na to is para na makapag-start ulit ako makapag-vlog, you know, make videos, make contents. Yung mga contents na gagawin natin siguro is, you know, sharing the gospel of God, sharing the word of God with our Akaryu. Alright guys, hanggang dito na lang. So let's do the riding thing, and I hope you guys enjoy the sound of R1 with Arrow exhaust without the baffle, kaya sobrang ingay. Guys, let's do it! So yun na nga guys, salamat sa panonood. At yun lang yung video natin. Kaya maglalaman pa tayong video na shot. Sana supportan nyo ako. And salamat guys. Lagi tandaan, lagi kang mag-pray. Magtiwala kay God. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. God bless you all. See ya!